Hello, Mother! Kanina pa kami, ba't hindi ba natin?
Nakita mo sila, Mons?
Happy birthday, Mother! Hi! Hi!
Hi, Ma.
Hi!
I love you.
Thank you, Ma. Beautiful naman. Ay! Wow, Mother! Kanina pa ate, ang daming flowers! O ate, from Rudy and Devon! Oh, si Rudy. Sa akin na baby. Ganda ng flowers. Ay, this one, no? Nako, pwede ba ate humingi ako para sa house?
Of course.
Pag-uwi tayo. Kasi, guys, I don't have flowers. 2 weeks na kasi nag-wither na lahat. And, ate, pwede pa hindi. Ate, Justice, pwede ko bang iuwi? Kasi wala akong flower ngayon. Yung badge, hindi pa lumalabas. Oh my gosh, ate, ang daming flowers!
Nice schema cards.
Oh my gosh!
With all the...
Wow! Ganda! Roses! Ate, pwede ako mag-uwi ng orchids?
Of course. I think sana in that space.
Yes, okay. Okay, ako naman mag-picture ako.
Fine.
Oh my gosh, okay. Ang grabe, ate, ang daming flowers.
Yes. Actually, naalala ko lahat. Because of the butterfly.
Oh my gosh, may butterfly kami si daddy nagbe-visit.
Here's some flowers.
Oh my gosh.